Today we're going to take a look at the 12-inch self-adjusting electric trailer brake assembly kit. Includes the left-hand and right-hand side brake assemblies for 5,200 pound to 7,000 pound axles. Now electric brakes, they're a lot easier to install. They offer more user control than hydraulic brakes. Basically they just require only an electric brake controller, which we do sell separately on our website. So there's no actuator hydraulic lines necessary with electric brakes. Now in these brakes they do use an automotive grade friction material on the shoes. It's molded to the brake shoes. They are fully bonded, so they're not riveted to the shoes. Gives you a lot longer life, more braking torque. On the edges of the shoes, they actually taper the edges, and then they do a circular grinding of the pads. Gives you less chance of it cracking or crumbling that could lead to mechanical lockup. Now these brakes are self-adjusting brakes, and you can tell that by the cable right here. This cable goes around a pulley, connects to a lever that will automatically adjust your brakes. So self-adjusting brakes do not require the periodic manual adjustment like standard brakes. Basically, as you apply the brakes, they will automatically adjust them as needed. Also on these, the very bottom, the brake adjustment gear is a nice fine-tooth gear, so it allows for a more precise setting. And there is no braking period needed following your initial adjustment. If you notice the backing plates on these assemblies, they are E-coated. Gives you a nice resist wear and corrosion. If you notice at the bottom also, they do include the rubber adjuster plugs that go in the holes there. What's nice about that is that'll cover those holes to keep any dirt grime from getting in on your brake assemblies. Now this part will include both the left-hand driver's side right here and the right-hand passenger side assembly. Now the mounting bolts and hardware to install these onto your axle, they are sold separately. These assemblies do meet the QAI and CSA certification. Again, these are electric brakes, so I'm going to turn them over, and if you notice on the back, they'll have two black wires coming out here. Now these need to be connected. One connects to a good clean ground, the other goes to your brake feed for power, and they're both black wires, so you can use either wire for either function. A few specs on this. They are designed to fit most standard hub and drum assemblies, including Dexter, Lippert, and Alco. The size on it, again, is 12 inches by 2 inches, and basically what that's telling you is the 12 inches is the diameter. That's from this shoe to this shoe. So if we put a ruler on edge to edge, you can see there's your 12 inches. The 2 inches would be the width of the pad on the brake shoe. So you can see there's your 2 inches, so 12 inches by 2 inches. Turn it over, you can see there's 5 holes, so this is a mounting flange bolt pattern of 5 bolts. The wheel size that are used on these are 15 inches and larger. The axle rating, again, they fit is 5,200 pound, 6,000 pound, and 7,000 pound axles. And the last thing I just wanted to show you is when you get these, you'll have a left-hand driver side and a right-hand passenger side. And the way you can tell that, now when you get them new, it'll have a sticker that'll say right-hand and left-hand, but if by chance the sticker wasn't on there, the way to tell what side they go on is just look at the length of the pad on the brake shoe. This pad goes all the way from here to here. This one goes just from here to here. So this is the shorter pad. That's the primary shoe. That'll always face the front of the trailer. So that tells you it's going to be installed this way, so that tells you that that's the right-hand passenger side. And if you go over to the left-hand driver side, same way, look at the length of the pad, here to here. This one is just here to here, so this is the shorter pad. Again, faces the front of the trailer. Goes this way, it tells you that it's a left-hand driver side assembly. But that should do it for the review on the 12-inch self-adjusting electric trailer brake assembly kit. Includes the left-hand and right-hand side brake assemblies for 5,200 pound to 7,000 pound axles.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.